Newark, California in the Bay Area. And we're going to talk about RFEs, requests for evidence. First of all, a quote, one man's meat is another man's poison. While it seems like USCIS love RFEs, and IT consultants and IT consulting firms hate them because they really give a hard time to many people. RFEs first of all, RFEs are common tools used by the USCIS, the Immigration Services, in order to get more information on a case to make a final decision. So first of all, you should not panic, because panicking on an RFE is what oftentimes end up by getting a denial. An RFE should be approached in a very legal way in many cases, because it requires legal knowledge. An RFE, even they're asking for certain documents, a legal knowledge will make a difference, because many times the requests don't fit the profile, or does not fit the profile, or things that are being asked don't really match with what the law requires. So having a good lawyer by your side makes a big difference. Few tips on RFE. For one, of course, don't panic. For two, make sure you're answering the RFE completely. You cannot answer a portion of it and leave for another portion for later on. It won't work. Second, be sure to answer on time. It's very, very important that RFEs are answered on time. You have 3 days extra if you're mailing the RFEs most of the time, but don't wait the last minute to answer them. Another thing that we see more often than not now, RFEs are being issued because the firm or the employer, or any kind of cases, the person who have prepared the case is not knowledgeable or not knowledgeable about the law, and they end up by putting situations in the cases that create more havoc and more confusion to the adjudicating officer. And the adjudicating officer wants an explanation. For example, we have seen cases where people will put a bunch of documents without explaining the purpose of documents. And a family petition, for example, oftentimes people will put a bunch of pictures, but they don't explain what are those pictures. So very important to explain what you're putting in there. The other tip that you can have for RFEs, make sure that you are sending the RFE at the right place. Okay, don't send it to the wrong address. There's an address mentioned on that, and you need to make sure that you are actually sending it to the right address. The other thing that I will recommend people, whenever they're preparing their RFEs, answer them in an orderly manner, divide them, break them, have exhibits and a cover letter. Oftentimes people just throw everything out there, and then the person who's looking at that answer is obviously going to be confused, and of course will end up by denying your case. And of course there are many other tips I can give you. You can read the article we have on our website on piralilaw.com or on splgpc.com. The link should be appearing on the bottom of this video. You should check all the tips, and make sure that you hire a good attorney to prepare your case at the outset. Having a good attorney to prepare your case will avoid an RFE most of the time. Just like in our office, the ratio of RFEs to cases are very low. Ultimately, this results in a higher approval rate, and also avoid any kind of digging or questions that don't make sense. So you need to be careful when you're preparing your case, first of all, and when you're answering the RFE, be as prepared and make a good answer, and hire a good lawyer who's licensed to practice law. Our law firm has been practicing immigration law for years now, and we are rated among the top. I'm rated Sharp Raleigh at 10.0 on avo.com, and my partner Hassan also is rated very high, above 9.0 on avo.com. Our work has been commended by top other peers, lawyers, and also by our clients. Just check the testimonials about us and check the reviews. We will recommend you don't panic, and if you have any questions, feel free to call our office 510-742-5887. Thank you. 25887.